Hello, everyone. This is going to be a quick demo for the subgroup level dependency list MVC. I'm gonna make sure that the link to the epic it's going to be on the description of the video. And let's go from the existing feature that's on the project level first, and then we move to what we have done for the group level so far. This demo is also going to include one MR that's still under review, just to show like a wider picture than what we just have available on master right now. So if you go to my local GitLab, here what we have is that we have a top level group, and then we have a subgroup, and this subgroup called subgroup test has a project test. I'm calling this just bottom project test. But on the top level, we also have another project test. The reason I did this is to make sure that we cover the basis for having the same dependency for more than one project. That's the goal for the group level. So if I show the bottom project test here, it's just a dependency scanning that's going to have this gemfile.log scanned. That's a simple one. Now, if we go back to the hierarchy here, and we go to the project test, this one's a little bit more complex because it has the dependency scanning here, but the difference is that it has two gemfile.log, one here and one under the QA folder. The reason for this is that I want to make sure that we have multiple occurrences of the same dependencies, and in addition to having multiple projects also for the same occurrence. So if we go to the dependency list here, again, that's an existing feature. We see the dependencies, and we see the packager, location, license. I don't have license available here. And we also have the vulnerabilities. On the top here, on top right, we have sorting by severity, component name, and packaging. If we go to component name here, is just one interesting thing is that we see two same component gets duplicated because we have the same gemfile.log for both QA folder and the top level. So just the current behavior, you see the difference in the location here. It's just something that we are going to do a little bit different on the group level. So now, if we go here on the top level with the feature flag and enable, of course, and we go to secure dependency list, we are going to have the group level dependency list. The difference thing, one different aspect here is that on the group level, we just read data from the SBOM features. We don't fetch data from the pipeline. And on the project level, SBOM records are not considered, and only records from the pipeline. That's the main difference in terms of the back end for this features. So yeah, here we don't have the latest scan because we are not looking to the pipeline yet for this MVC. We don't have search by severity because also severity is associated to vulnerabilities. That's going to come a little bit later. But what we have here is we have the component name, we have the packager, and we have the locations. In this case here, we have three locations, one from one project, and the other two are from the other project. But we have two projects for each. In the future, we are going to have a popover in both location and project. So then additional filter is provided. But for what we have so far in master, and in addition to this MR, that's what we have for now. And yeah, we have the pagination, of course. That's similar. It's very similar to the one that I did for the project. So yeah, that was a quick demo. I hope that I cover most of the features described in the MVC. Thank you very much for watching.